Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log out of your Phantom wallet. For that, make sure you have the application and you're logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. At this home page, at the top left, you can see a profile icon. You can simply tap over there. You'll be now led to this kind of page, and there you can see the gear icon. Simply tap on that. Again, you'll be led to this kind of page. Here now you can see various options like manage accounts, preferences, security and privacy, and many more. You need to tap on the third one, security and privacy. And again, you'll be led to this kind of page. Here you can see various options, and at the last you can see the option reset app. You need to tap on it. This will remove all existing accounts and data. Make sure you have your secret phrase and private keys backed up. Now simply tap on continue. And now you can see that you are logged out of your Phantom wallet. But in order to log in, you can tap on I already have a wallet option over here. But make sure you have your secret recovery phrase. If you don't have it, then you won't be able to log in. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.